Nasir Ahmed. He was based in Belgaum, and who then connected to another middleman, Muhammad Haji. Muhammad Haji is based in Bijapura. So we apprehended both these persons. Then these two persons went to Vietnam for casino jobs, but they realized that they were taken into some other job profile. They were given some script, and they were trained to commit cyber crimes. These scripts were of the nature that these victims will make social media profiles of girls, and based on some scripts, they will allure the victims in India. They will send messages. They will do friendship with the girl's profile, and then they will try to honey trap them, or they will try to do some financial frauds with them. So this kind of cyber crime they were getting engaged into, and they realized it very quickly, and then they come back after making some excuses. So this is the complaint that we received, and we arrested two persons. We apprehended two persons, and one of them was formally arrested, and the other one was made to join investigation under 41A CRPC. And we have recovered mobile phones in which incriminating evidences have been recovered. There are documents exchanged. There are visas, job applications. A lot of incriminating material has been found, and one of the accused who was arrested is under our custody. So this Muhammad Haji, he was running a recruitment agency at his home. The registered address was Mumbai, but he was running it from his home in Bijapura, and he has his network of recruiters across the world. He mainly operates to send the potential job seekers to Saudi Arabia, but in this case he connected through some person in Calcutta, and he was sending to Cambodia, Myanmar, Laos, and Vietnam, these countries. So we arrested him, and we have made sure that he does not send anybody any further.